Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my hood. So, today I'm doing another unboxing. It is February and I got two boxes. And if you're asking me why I'm wearing black lipstick, it's because I feel like wearing black lipstick, okay? And we're opening witchy boxes. So, let's just get right into it. It's Goddess Provisions. The box looks like this. I'm covering up my information so you won't see it. And then I have another box, but that's a whole separate video. This is going to be the Goddess Provision box already. Ooh. Oh. See, it has like these little stringy things coming out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. So, it has these purple strings, and I love purple, so your girl is definitely liking this. If you see me look that way, it's because my girlfriend is on duo with me. So the first thing is this. We got a highlighter from Pacifica, and Pacifica is an all-natural. Look at that! Holy crap! It's a vegan makeup brand, and it has like crystals on it, and it's the Rainbow Crystals Liquid Mineral Strom Multi-Use Highlighter. And let me find the card, because they have a card. Here we go. And this theme of the box is called Look for Fairies. This is what it looks like. And so we're going to go with the Pacifica highlighter. It says, use this magic wand to apply touch of fairy dust to your cheekbones, eyelids, or collarbones. $13 value. That is crazy. That's really freaking nice. Okay. This one, I thought these were drugs. This says Mason's Mushrooms Wild Crafted Mushroom Blend Extract. Super Feast. And I don't know what this is. Let me read it. It says, boost your immune system by adding a dose of this blend of 8 medical mushrooms to your smoothie, juice, elixir, hot chocolate, or a cup of hot water to make tea. Sweetened if desired. $28 value. Wow, that sounds like drugs, but you know, whatever. Sounds cool, okay? We got a candle! We got a candle! We got a candle! Okay, so this says Fairy Magic. Whoa! Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I am gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Okay, this is Fairy Magic, and it's a candle, and it says it's from Cottage Wicks, 100% natural soy wax. I love soy wax candles. But you guys, this has a stone in it. It looks like some pink quartz crystal. It has chamomile in here, a rose, I think. Let me see. It says, lighten your sacred space with this soy candle made with lavender essential oil. I smell that. And sprinkled with strawberry crystal quartz and turquoise. I think it's supposed to, it's the other word for turquoise. And it says herbs. $20 for this candle. This is really freaking beautiful. Your girl love lavender. Okay, the next one is, oh, bath salts. I got bath salts. Okay, it says element I feel like, guys, please don't think I'm illiterate, because I'm not illiterate. Okay, I can read. It's just herbs have funny names. So, yeah. Botanicals. There we go. Fairy Gardens Mineral Bath. 100% natural ingredients, minerals, sea salt, botanical blend, rosewood, lavender, essential oils. Mika Love makes 1-2 floral baths. So this is what that looks like. Can you see that? Yeah, there we go. It's really nice. Let's open them. I'm going to open them. Oh! Wow. Wow. Yeah. I'm going to read what it says on the card now. It says, add a dash of these botanical salts featuring rosewood, lavender, essential oils in your bath for a cleansing ritual. I like this theme box because I smell a lot of lavender and it's freaking great. So, the next one. Oh, it's a little pin. And this has a fairy and some mushrooms. She's sitting on a mushroom. And this one says, add this adorable fairy friend to your favorite jacket or bag where she can remind you to go outside to frolic the nature and connect with your inner child. That's really nice. And then we have, oh, I think this is essential oil. Oh! Okay. This is, oh no. It's a flower incense.
The word is essence. I meant to say essence. Sorry.
Let's open it if I can. Bubble wrap. Okay. This says the Flower Incense Oracle. Consult the cards in this fun, free, interactive oracle offering. Oh, so they give you like a 20% off thing for the oracle thing. But yeah, let's read it. It says, put 3 to 4 drops of this flower essence. I said incense. I'm so stupid. It's essence. Essence under your tongue or in your favorite beverage, DIY skincare, creation of bath to align your energy of natural spirits. I'm about to try this right now in my mouth. Oh my god. This is what it looks like, dude. I'm about to try it. I'm scared though. What if I don't like it? Wow. It seems very strong. We're just gonna do one drop. One drop. Oh, I didn't even get anything. This tastes good. This tastes really good. Wow. Wow, I am shook. I'm shook. I'm shook to my core. This is crazy. That's crazy. Okay. But yeah, that's it for this box. Oh no. It's not it. Oh, look it. Mickey. Yay. Rose quartz, of course. Yep, it says rose quartz. This stone emits the vibration of unconditional love, joy, and emotional healing. Hold this close to your heart to increase your love feelings towards all beings. This is what it looks like. It's really pretty. Wow. I'm really happy. Now, that is all for the Goddess Provisions box. I'm about to cry. I love it. It's freaking amazing. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, of course. Subscribe. You can turn on my notification bells. And follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and all that other good stuff. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video, which I'm about to make right now. So peace out. Love you. Goodbye.